Hey family, I was at my aunt's house. I filmed a video earlier to share crop update. But can you guess what this is? No, it's not the callas. She was like, oh, I got these over here too. And there's some kind of coneflower. I was like, coneflowers? What you talking about? So turns out these are the pinecone, or the AKA Shampoo Ginger. These things are sold out all over the internet, but they are growing wild in my aunt's backyard. I had 4 of them. I took 4, and she was like, come back and get some more because they're going to be all back here too. So I'm going to get some more later, and I may give away some. But they are the shampoo ginger that you squeeze and actually get shampoo. They apparently grow well in our area because they are all over her yard. So I'm going to put these in a pot because I can't have invasive stuff everywhere. So I'm going to put this in the pot. And she also had these 4 o'clocks. So if you've never seen these, I'm going to put that in the pot too. And just make a little arrangement with those and put them out front for growing. And hey, we run out of soap, but as you can see from my bathroom rearrangement video that I'll link above, we are not running out of soap no time soon. But just in case, I will have shampoo ginger out. So I also have that, and then I want to show you this. Let's get you over here. Take a little walking stroll with me. The spring DIY. The lighting's bad over here. I do apologize. But for the spring DIY with the bird of paradise, the Walmart clearance flowers. Look at there. Turned out to be a pretty yellow and red hibiscus. It's not quite the pineapple, but it is beautiful. Anyway, the other one hadn't bloomed, but that one is the pineapple. Also, we have the mandevilla. Mandevilla came up real nice. I'm trying to train it around this stake that I put in here late, but it's in here. So I'm trying to train it around this stake so that it can grow up, cover the stake, and look real pretty when it comes back next year. And this one is doing fine too. Again, the mandevillas are budding, but the hibiscus, they have buds, but they haven't blossomed, bloomed, and opened yet. But they are doing amazing. This is still doing good over here. And this, I'm going to get this for the thumbnail for this video. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That's that clearance Home Depot pineapple hibiscus half price for $10 each. I bought 2. I get at least 1 flower a day, if not 2 or 3. So this right here is the Motherland OKRA, and it has buds of flowers. But how about, I think this is an okra, and I think that's an okra, and this is how the okras look. Plus you can eat the leaves and put them in soups. So the reason I bought this is because when, you know, STFU happens, well, what is it? SHTF happens. When SHTF happens, or if it happens, y'all don't know what that is, only because I told you. I still have something to eat if they come rape the whole garden. So I like to plant exotics and stuff that I know what it is, but the average person is not going to know what it is, which is a good strategy in your garden. So you'll always have something going on regardless of what, say, neighbors come and steal. Until I get my fence, I'm just wide open. So don't come over here messing with me because I ain't that wide open. She packing and all. And we'll hear something and got cameras everywhere. But I don't want nobody to lose a leg for a tomato. But hey, it might happen. But she's wide open over here, and I just kind of wanted to grow stuff people don't recognize. But that is so beautiful. So hope you got some tips. These were Motherland okra seeds from Baker Creek. They ran a special. I might have a couple of spare, may do them in a future giveaway. Like, comment, subscribe. You just never know when I'll do a giveaway, or you might want to reach out to me, I don't know, in the comments and say, please give me 1 or 2 seeds, because they have a good germination rate. And I haven't tasted them yet, but I'm going to pick these 2 along with my squash harvest from my previous video, the sharecrop. Let's take you over to that, just in case you don't have time to go back and watch that video, but I will link it above. There's my squash harvest. So 2 long white Palermos and 1 big straight yellow. Oh, that's so cute. And it might be yellow zucchini. I don't know what it is, but it's here and it's gonna get 8. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. There's 2 more Motherlands starting up. So I do hope you like this video. Bye-bye.